Hey guys, welcome to the next video on Python tutorial for beginners. In this video, we will discuss about built-in functions and modules in Python. So the Python interpreter has a number of built-in functions, modules and type that are always available. That means you can use them at any time. And we have already used some of the built-in functions in Python. So first of all, we have used the print built-in function. We have already used the input built-in function. We have already used the int, which is used to typecast a float or a string into an integer, right? We have already used a built-in function called float, which is used to convert an integer to a float value or a string to a float value. Now Python has a list of these inbuilt functions, and you can find this list by going to the python.org website and then clicking on the docs section, and you can choose the version you have installed. So we have installed the latest version, which is 3.7.0, and you can even choose your language, which are available here. Now when you click on this link which says library references, you will be able to see this page which says Python standard library. And then when you scroll down here, you will be able to see the introduction about Python, and the second section here is about built-in functions. So I'm going to click on this built-in function link, and here you will be able to see all the built-in functions in Python. So this is the list of all the built-in functions which you can use in Python. And if you want to know more about these functions, for example, I want to know what this max function does, I can click on this function, and then you can get the help about this function. So what this function does and how it can be used in Python, all the information is given here. Now let's go to the terminal and let's see how we can use some of these built-in functions. So first of all, how you can list out all these built-in functions and types in Python. There is a built-in function to list out all the built-in functions and types, which is dir and then double underscore, and then you write built ins, and then once again double underscore, and then close the parenthesis and then press enter, and it's going to give you the list of all the built-ins available in Python. So for example, from this list we have already used this function called float, print, and then we have already used this function int and input also. So let's use some more functions. So in the previous videos I have shown you how to calculate the power of a number. So you use these double asterisks in order to calculate the power of any number, and you can see you get the power of 2 to the power 10. Now Python also have a built-in function called POW. Here you can give as a first argument the number, and as the second argument you can provide the number which you want to use as a power, and when I press enter it gives me the same result. Let's use some other built-in function, for example len. Len you can use to find out the length of any string. So I can write len, and inside the parentheses I can just write any string here, for example hello, and it will give me the length of the string. So this string hello have 5 letters inside it. That's why it's giving me length 5. Now there is a built-in function called help, using which you can get some help about any function. So I can write help here, and inside the parenthesis I can just write the function name. So for example, I want to know what this max function does, so I can just write max here and then press enter. So it gives me the signature of max, so how it's used, and then it will provide me some description about the function, so what it does. So you can see here it returns the biggest item, right? So I can just write max here, and inside the parentheses I can give the list of items here, for example 1, 2, 8, 9, 4 and 5. And when I press enter, it's going to give me the maximum value out of this list. So you can use this help built-in function in order to know more about all the other built-in functions. Now till now we have talked about the built-in functions which are available in Python. Now let's talk about some of the built-in modules which are available in Python. Now what is a module I'm going to describe in the later videos, but for now let's see how to import a built-in module in Python and how to use them. So there is a built-in module called math, and to import it you just use a keyword called import and then the module name, for example math, and press enter, and it's going to import this module into our interpreter. Now you can use this math keyword and then you can write dot and wait for some seconds, and you can see it gives me all the list which are available inside this math module. So let's say I want to find out the square root of any number. I can use a function called sqrt here, and then this gives me the square root of a number. So for example, I want to find out the square root of 100 and then press enter. It gives me the answer 10. Now once again, as I said, you can use a built-in function called help in order to know the signature of this function. So I can just write math.sqrt and then press enter, and it's going to give me some help about this function. So you can see it returns the square root of x and the signature looks like this. Now if you want to print all the methods and types available inside this built-in module, you can once again use this built-in function dir and then in the parentheses write the name of the module. So this time we will write math here and then press enter, and it gives me the list of all the available functions available inside this math module, and you can see all these functions which are available inside this module. So you can just use a cos function from here, pi function from here, radians or tan function from here. So this is how you can use built-in functions and modules in Python. I hope you've enjoyed this video. I will see you in the next video.